What is going on, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, and today we are talking about the Sidus Heroes game. And this is one that I'm pretty excited about. They just did their IDO about a week ago. I believe it was December 15th. So the public sale price was 0.067, and they hit a high on that public sale at 8 cents, and now we're sitting back down here right around 7.35 cents. So not terrible. As I understand, there are quite a few holders who bought in the private sale, but have not claimed their tokens yet due to the high Ethereum gas fees, which is why if we look over here on Dex Tools, we're showing that they have actually 10,346 holders, but there's only been 4,909 total transactions. So not too bad for a token that's been out for a week. The NFTs have been out for a little while though, and they're already going for a floor price of 0.73 ETH. And if we look here, I just saw one that sold for 10 Ethereum yesterday, so that's pretty wild. Got another one for 12 grand. Yeah, so these NFTs are pretty expensive, not terrible. Floor price, you can get it for, 2,900. It's still a fairly significant barrier to entry because these are required to play the actual game itself. They do have a demo released, which I could show you a little bit of right now. All right, so we can get an idea of the graphics here. Pretty amazing. They must have used like Unreal Engine 4 or something like that, so we can get an idea of what the actual in-game graphics are going to look like. I would say these are at least as good, if not better, than like the Xbox 360 or PlayStation 4 graphics. And for something that is an in-browser game, that's pretty remarkable. You can't really do much in the demo. It's just you just kind of move the camera around as far as I can tell. So we'll get the hell out of here. They still have a lot of things on their main website that have not been developed yet, but let's get into a little bit of an overview of the project. So, all right, this is their original NFT collection here, the founding fathers of Sidus. The original Sidus NFT Heroes collection consists of 6,000 unique characters that have different levels of rarity, including original, rare, legendary, exclusive, and partnership, and 13 different inherited traits. This combination of attributes determines each hero's rarity level. Besides serving as an entrance ticket to Sidus, NFT Heroes from the Founders Collection can be used for NFT staking and NFT wrapping. You can also choose to upgrade your hero by buying one of these upgrade cards. Every original NFT hero has a chance to become one of 1,000 rare heroes or 500 legendary heroes by collecting special modifiers that are upgrade cards. To become a rare NFT hero, it takes 1 upgrade card. To become a legendary hero, it takes 3 legendary cards. NFT heroes with a higher rarity have a higher status in the Sidus community and enjoy bigger rewards in Galaxy staking. Let's see how much these are going for on OpenSea, these upgrade cards. I bet you they are not too expensive. Yeah, 0.22, I'm gonna guess. Oh boy. Okay, never mind. These are pretty expensive. But let's see what they got for the legendary card. Oof, these go up to 5 ETH pretty quick. Quite a few of them on here. The cheapest price you can get for one of these legendary cards is 7,300, which is quite a bit more than the actual NFT cost itself. You gotta buy 3 of those to become legendary, so they better give you some pretty incredible perks for dropping. Let's see here, for dropping over 30 grand on your character to become legendary. They do offer, this is where you can upgrade your NFT, and this is where you can stake it. It'll connect to your wallet. So I'll show you, the marketplace is not active. Also, the academy is not active. Staking is active, and they do have some pretty aggressive staking rates here. If you want to stake your Sidus tokens for a year, you get 60% on your money. And let's see what they got for Senate. Senate is the same rate, so that is a pretty significant yield. And if you look at their other token here, the Senate token, this one IDO'd at $6, and then it absolutely plummeted, and it's been kind of consolidating here down around the $2.50 range, but it's been pretty steady, pretty stable there. Doesn't like being too high or too low, too far away from that $2.50 range. And again, with this one, I think a lot of people bought this in the private sale as well, because we have 91, almost 9,200 holders and only 1,800 transactions on this. So people are definitely holding these. I think the big thing that one of the main reasons people are not really doing anything with their tokens, that we have more tokens than holders, is because of the high gas fees here. A lot of people claimed around $50 to $100 worth of these tokens, so it's going to cost more in gas fees to claim those. Okay, one more thing that I wanted to get to on this is the insane amount of financial backing this game has. So here is a graphic with all the VC funding that they have from 50 of the top 100 funds in blockchain gaming, and they have another 100 VCs and business partners on top of that. Okay, and as far as a launch date for the actual game itself, we do have on their Twitter, they've announced January 23rd is when the game is actually going live here. So in order to purchase one of the newer mints here of the Academy NFTs, so some of these lizard people, you need to purchase them with the Sidus tokens. So that is going to be a big boost for their token value as well as the value of those NFTs. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap here, and we can try our best to kind of make some predictions on where I think this is going in the next 6 months to a year. So it's tough to make a prediction on market cap projections where they don't have their market cap listed on CoinMarketCap or on... So yeah, it's only showing fully diluted market cap here. Again, when this game comes out and you're going to be using the currency in-game, I think there's no reason why this can't get to, let's see, in 6 months, where do I think this is going to be? I think we're going to be over 50 cents in value here by June of next year, by June of 2022. And so the reason for that is they've only got 10,000 holders right now, but they have 300-ish thousand followers on Twitter. In order to play the game, everyone is going to have to buy an NFT. In order to buy an NFT, you have to buy the Sidus token. So that is going to skyrocket the value of these tokens, and there's going to be in-game purchases and things like that. So people are going to have to buy quite a few of these. It's tough to say what the market cap will be because we only have the fully diluted, and I don't think there is a ton of circulation right now because we only have $643,000 in liquidity and only 580,000 in total volume here. But we should be at least 6x in the next 6 months, and then probably another 10x by Christmas of next year as that ecosystem builds out and as they start adding more and more features and doing more NFT launches, getting more people involved in the game. This thing is going to be definitely a high risk, high reward play. No reason why we can't see 10x in the next year and then 20 to 30x in the years to come. And if you got in on the private sale, I think that was going for 0.001. So you're up about... So if you got in on the private sale, you're up 40x right now so far, even if you haven't claimed your tokens yet. That's quite the ROI there on that. The only problem is, in order to claim your tokens, you got to pay the gazillion dollar Ethereum gas fee. So that is pretty much all I got for you today, guys. As always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Sidus as well as other NFTs, stocks, and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I will see you in the next video.